File management, data organization. Children, you must have seen your parents keeping the different types of household bills such as electricity bills and water bills in different files and then stacking those files in a cupboard. This is called file management. Doing so, your parents can easily and quickly access those files whenever required. Similarly, a file management system is present in a computer system also. We organize our data by keeping files in a folder and then store that folder in a drive. This makes the searching and retrieval of files easy and quick. In this chapter, you will learn some important operations related to the files and folders like viewing, copying, moving, and so on. Moving or copying a file or folder from one drive to another. Moving operation places the selected file or folder at the desired destination but removes it from its original location. On the other hand, copying operation creates a duplicate copy, which means the selected file or folder is present at its original location as well as at the desired destination. Let us say you want to move or copy a file or folder from drive E to drive D. Follow the steps given below. Double-click on the computer icon on the desktop. Now, double-click on the E drive icon. It will display all the files and folders stored in it. Select the desired file or folder that you want to move or copy. Select the Cut or Copy option in the drop-down menu of the Organize button. Or, right-click on the file or folder and select the Cut or Copy option in the Shortcut menu. In the left pane, select the D drive. Now, select the Paste option in the Organize drop-down menu. Or, right-click the blank area and select the Paste option. Notice that the file gets moved or copied to the new location. Moving or copying a file or folder between storage devices. Let us now learn how to move or copy a file or folder between the storage devices, say from D drive of your computer to a pen drive. To do so, follow the steps given below. Insert a pen drive in your computer. Now, double-click on the computer icon present on the desktop. On the left pane, click on the D drive icon. Its contents will appear on the right side. Select the file or folder that you want to move or copy. Click on the Organize menu and select the Cut or Copy option in the drop-down list. On the left pane, click on the pen drive. The content of the pen drive opens up on the right pane. Click on the Organize menu and select the Paste option in the drop-down list. The selected file or folder will be moved or copied to the pen drive. Searching a file or folder. In Windows 7, we can search for the files and folders using the search box. You can find this search box in the Start menu and also in the upper right corner of every folder. Follow the given steps to search a file or folder. Click on the Start button. You will find the search box just above the Start button. Enter the file or folder name in the search box. If you do not remember the name of the file or folder, you can type a word or phrase that is present in that file. As soon as you begin to type, you will find a list of matching results getting displayed. You can also click on See More Results to expand the result list. Select the desired file or folder and double-click on it. The file will open in a new window. Searching file using wildcard characters. Sometimes, while searching for a file or folder, we do not remember its exact name, but some part of it. In this type of situation, we can make use of wildcard characters. Windows support two wildcard characters, asterisk and question mark. Let us see how these two characters help us in searching the files. Using wildcard character asterisk. The wildcard character asterisk can be used to replace multiple characters in a search term. Using wildcard character question mark. The wildcard character question mark can be used to replace any single letter or symbol in a search term. Understanding different file formats. You can store various types of files in a computer system. Each type of file is given a specific extension called the file extension. It is a 3 or 4 letter identifier which is suffixed at the end of a file name separated by a dot or period. It helps in identifying the type of a file. The following table displays the list of commonly used file types and their file extensions. Sorting files. Sorting is the process of arranging the items in a proper and defined order. In Windows 7, you can sort the files by name, size, item type, and date modified. It enables the users to easily search and retrieve a required file. The 4 sorting options are: Name. This option lists the files in alphabetical order. Size. It arranges files in descending order of file size. Item type. It groups the files based on their type. Date modified. This option organizes the files according to the date these were last modified. Let us learn how to sort files using the Name option. Right-click anywhere on the blank area of the desktop. In the shortcut menu, place the pointer on the Sort By option and then click on the Name sub-option. Notice the icons are now arranged in an alphabetical order. Working with multiple applications. Windows provides its users with the facility of working with multiple applications at the same time. Let us say you are writing a report in MS Word on your recent educational tour, and at the same time, you want to confirm some facts related to your report with the help of Internet. Side by side, you also want to listen to some soft music. This means you need to open and work on 3 different applications at a time. Let us see how to work on these 3 application windows at the same time. Open Word 2010 by selecting Start, Word 2010. A blank document opens as shown in here. Open any web browser, say Google Chrome, by double-clicking on its icon on the desktop. Now, open Windows Media Player by selecting Start, All Programs, Windows Media Player. The Windows Media Player window opens as shown here. Select and play your favorite music file. Now, right-click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Click on the Show Windows Side by Side option in the shortcut menu. Windows of all the open applications will be displayed side by side. Now, you can listen to your favorite music and side by side browse the internet to collect the required information while writing the report on MS Word.